Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So guys, if you're facing this issue and you are unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply tap on a review button, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions, and after this the pop-up will disappear. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general, and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and go to your profile and then scroll it below and go to media and purchases, tap on view account and wait here for some seconds again. And now go to country region, and from here select your country or region correctly as well, and after this follow the instructions from here as well. So guys, select your country or region correctly and follow the instructions from here, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.